These are the floral emblems of the constituent parts of the United Kingdom. So the thistle is represented on its own. There's also a combined emblem here which has the rose, the thistle and the shamrock for the three kingdoms united. They've been cleaned down and refurbished.
We were asked to replace any castings that was deemed not good enough when they were going to do the refurbishment, whether it be the roof tiles, the ornamentation. During the war, when the bombs were dropping and planes firing at things, there were obviously a lot of indentations on the ironwork, obviously from like shrapnel and things like that for during the war. It seemed to survive quite a bit, and it's been there a long time, so somebody must have been doing something right.